No, don't need that. You feel better? So this bird my kids found this morning, he was hurt and just laying around. It looked like he had a broken wing or something. And we just took it in and then let it rest. Gave it some sugar water, and now it looks like she's feeling better, which we're glad. And my kids collected some bugs, but it doesn't seem to be interested in eating right now. I guess we're just gonna keep looking over the bird and wait till he gets fully recovered, he or she, and then we'll send it back into the wild.